Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about collaboration and experiential learning in DIY projects. It emphasizes the importance of teamwork, allowing participants to leverage diverse skills and perspectives to successfully complete DIY tasks. This module introduces key elements like communication, conflict resolution, and task delegation, fostering a cooperative environment that improves both personal and professional skills. Participants will also learn about project risk management by identifying potential risks, developing contingency plans, and analyzing past failures and successes. The iterative learning process encourages hands-on practice, reflection, and continuous improvement, helping participants adapt and innovate. The module promotes self-awareness and self-efficacy, encouraging individuals to assess their strengths and weaknesses while building confidence to tackle challenges in future projects. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.